Hello, dear learners. Welcome to this tutorial on the basic use of ezTalks as an online tool for online meetings and webinars. Learning outcomes. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to explore the different features and settings in ezTalks. So let us see a brief introduction to what ezTalks is. It's a cloud-based video conferencing system that offers server message block and large enterprises a single platform from which to communicate and collaborate online. This ezTalks, it permits free video conferencing, web conferencing, online meetings, screen sharing, and so on. In order to communicate effectively, the ezTalks equips users with very high definition video and audio as well as instant messaging functionality. So dear learners, this particular tutorial is to go and explore different features of ezTalks. So all you have to do is go to Google, step number 1, and type ezTalks. So you will be taken to the page. Now once you go, as I said in the first tutorial, you need to create an account. So that will be asking you for sign up. It's free. Now once you click on sign up, it's free. You will enter your basic Gmail accounts and you will be sent, and you will be getting a email in your this email account which you have entered just for the purpose of verification. Once your email account is verified, then you will be given access and your account will be particularly activated. Now once your account is activated, you will be seeing a page like this. Now since I am already this logged in, so this is my home page. You can see there are different features for meetings, for webinars, for different rooms, different kind of rooms as per your requirement. It has the provision for audio and it has provision for pricing. You can schedule a meeting, you can schedule a webinar, you can join if you receive an invitation, or if you're a host, you have options to host a video or host a webinar, and this is my account. Then you have an option for support desk. You can request a demo if you're a first time user, you can call if you need some help. So this is the option. Sign up is free, no credit card or nothing required. It's a very user friendly, simple tool. And once you sign in and once you have your account access, then you will be going to the home page. Now this is how your home page will look. So we will be exploring different features of ezTalks. So this is the dashboard, like where this is my home page. If I click on meetings, it will show some of my meetings which I have scheduled. You can see 2 meetings which I have scheduled. One is today at 9 p.m. One is tomorrow at 8 p.m. Then if you click on webinar, it will be showing some free 100 minutes trial. Congratulations. We are happy to tell you that you can host a free webinar with 100 minutes duration and up to 25 webinar participants. So it's a good option from ezTalks. Then if you click on rooms, it has option to create. Now currently I'm using a free version, so it is showing me as your current plan is free trial, so need unlimited time to use ezTalks. You can upgrade, so it is asking me to upgrade. Then if I click on storage, it is showing me as only this MP4 file is allowed. The maximum size is 1 GB and the resolution is these dimensions, and you can start uploading your content. Then in the case of contacts, right now since I've just started using, I don't have any active contacts, and this is like a dashboard, a very simple user-friendly approach. Then in the first meeting, I already showed you how to schedule a meeting or a webinar. It's very simple. When you click on the upcoming ones, you can see upcoming ones. There are different meetings, and they have option for solutions. You can have meetings, webinar, audio, room solutions, mini rooms, huddle rooms, small rooms, middle rooms, large rooms. Now this all depends upon the version what you're using, the customization what you have requested for, and what is your plan for which you have gained access. Plans and pricing, they give you a different option for plans and pricing. For example, here they give you the different options for the paid version. So this is all depending upon the use what you have. They also have a good option to start an instant meeting. So if you have the a need to have an instant meeting, you can click and you can customize your requirement with video, without video, screen share only. So here you can directly start an instant meeting, and you can also join a meeting or a webinar if you have received this invitation. So these are the different features. On the dashboard you have support option, you can download something, and this is all about. So my plans currently I'm using a free version. You can have webinar starter, you can have room starter. So they have different options as per the requirement. Once I go back to my dashboard, once I click on my name, I have the option for my profile and I have the option for sign out. So dear learners, this was all about the basic features of ezTalks. I believe this session will be very helpful to all of you. Thank you for being live with me. Remember, change is mandatory, survival is optional. We need to change, we need to constantly update and learn and explore new things so that we are at par with the ever-changing world and scenario. So keep exploring, sharing and learning. Thank you.